Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm back with another quick tip. And my tip today is about making a lucky 4-leaf clover to go with a good luck sentiment. And this is a nice, easy sort of idea that you could use any sort of heart shape for doing this, because this is going to make us the petals of the clover. So I've already cut out my good luck sentiment. So this is using the Charming Sentiments good luck stamp here, and I've used the coordinating sentiment silhouettes dies, and let me find it, here we are. So I've used this die set. This cuts out all of the sentiments, but it also has some extra dies. So they've got the candles in here and shooting stars and a little sort of bow for a gift topper, for example. You could use it that way or not. So I've used the good luck to die cut out the sentiment here, and that was this one here. And I just use a little bit of washi tape to hold it in place. Alternately, you can die cut it out and then stamp it, because these are clear stamps, photopolymer, so you can see through to see where you're stamping. Now, because these were already in this same Silhouette Sentiments die set, I've also cut out a little stem, and I've die cut out these little hearts, and we will see how these are going to go together in just a short while. But I just wanted to share what I did was actually use some scrap. I used some scrap self-adhesive sheets that I've just put together on the back of here. That turns these into stickers, so it makes them a lot easier to adhere. Not a problem so much with these hearts, but this little stem is a bit fiddly for trying to apply glue to the back of it. So that's one of the little tips, if you like. Now, the other thing that was, I just wanted to show you, if you don't have the dies, then another option for this is to use a heart stamp. So let me just demonstrate this for you, and then we'll put together the die cut one. But the simple way to do this is just to stamp, and I should have my mat spinning. Get that out. This is only practice one, so it doesn't matter too much. And then what I do is I line it up so that we've got the points pointing to each other, and then we'll just go in between. And because these are all photopolymer stamps, that makes life easy, so we can see where we're stamping. And there we've got a lucky 4-leaf clover. And that is actually just using the heart out of the Ringed with Nature set. Now, with this, you've also got a little set of stems here. You could colour that and stamp that. You could just do the one if you wanted. So we've got a great way of either stamping or die cutting to do this and create this. So let me show you how we do it with the die cut version. So I'm going to pop, actually I'm not going to put the stem in yet. What I'll do is I will arrange this first, and actually I think I want it, I possibly need it more. I'm trying to work out how to get my stem in there. So, and with this, I think I'm probably going to put the points of the hearts a little bit closer together than I did for the stamped version. But again, you're making sure that these are all opposite. So that's how that's going to go. And what I might do is just trim the end of that so that I can feed that in between, because then I want my good luck down here like that. So let's take off our backings. Like I say, this is the self-adhesive sheet that we've got here, and it makes these into stickers. So I'll put that one down first. Oops. Drag that out a little bit. Let's just massage that back into place. And then we're going to, like I say, we're going to do the opposite. It gives you a better arrangement really if you do these, like I say, so that they're opposites, and you get a butterfly that way, you see. So hearts are fantastic for creating all sorts of other items. And I'm going to pop that in there, and I've lost what, there it is, it's under there. And we'll pop that there like that. And then I'm just going to trim the bulb off the end of this stem like that. And just trim that to a point. You don't have to have this in, you could leave this out quite easily. Does not want to turn over, so let me peel it off the back. So I'm going to just slide that into there, and then just curve that around a little to create a stem like that. And then I want to grab some, in this case, mini dimensionals. Just want a couple of mini dimensionals. And let's squeeze another one in there, maybe. And then this can go up on, this is the scallop contours, and I just want to overlap it a bit with the clover. So there we have that. I've already put together my card, so that all this now needs is some more dimensionals, full size ones this time, to go on the back of here. That off. There we are. And there we have our good luck card. But like I say, whether you use dies or stamps, you can use this same idea. And I think I'm going to put this down in the corner a little bit more. And I've gone with the soft sea foam. It's not really green, it's a Lost Lagoon, which is a blue green. But I liked it to go with the paper that I'd chosen. So I hope that that tip has given you some ideas, as I say, for both using dies or stamps to create a 4-leaf clover for any good luck projects that you might have got. It's just something a little bit extra to decorate and add to the sentiment. Please do subscribe to my channel below to see quick tips like this every Friday and a quick card on a Monday. And please give the project a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by.